Alright, back with another 3D printed project. Got an ignition system for rocket launching. Handcrafted, as you can see. 3D printed the case. I had these parts from some RC leftovers, a little battery pack and a switch. Just a simple on-off switch. The alligator clips. Little hook on to the igniter ends. I got a little smoke bomb here for this test. So let's see what it does. This is the first time using it all put together. Of course I tested it before putting it together. But...
I don't believe you.
Oh, shivers. I'm using it hot already. I have the switch backwards. I can't believe I have the switch backwards. That's annoying. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh, there's always got to be a fail. Well, it lit, but it didn't light the fuse. I don't think I had it on there right. Oh yeah, it was. It must just not have been enough to light that fuse. It might be because I already kind of had it go off. Let me get another fuse. We'll try it again. Alright, we'll try this one more time. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Success. We have success. There it goes. Backwards switch, but it's always got to be screwed up. Check you later.